Hello guys, today we are going to be solving a big problem with the Apple CarPlay and it being wired. This is a wireless CarPlay adapter, so we're going to be unboxing it. I'm going to show you what it comes included and how to install it. The first thing that I want to point out is regularly whenever you have an Apple CarPlay or anything, you have to just, get everything wired. So what we're going to do, we're going to be just, dumping all these cables, getting rid of them, and we're only going to be using this wireless CarPlay adapter. Inside the box, we're going to be receiving this instruction manual. We're going to be receiving this CarPlay box, okay? We're also going to get an HDMI adapter. We're going to be getting a couple cables, a C to C cable and a C to USB cable, okay? First step is to actually just get this installed, okay? We're going to be using this CarPlay box, okay? This one has a couple of ports. It has a USB-C port on one of the sides. It has an HDMI mini on the other one and a USB-A port, okay? This is to manually update the CarPlay box. This is for displaying on a different screen, and this is to connect to the car via the Type-C port, okay? You can actually use the C2C port if your car is compatible, or the USB-C to USB-A cable in case you need that. So we're going to be using the C2C, and we're going to be only connecting here. Let me show you where we're going to be connecting. And since we got rid of all that mess, look at how neat and organized it looks now. So we're going to be putting this car box right there. This CarPlay box is definitely for those vehicles that are capable of doing CarPlay through the USB cable and not through Bluetooth. If your car is actually already doing Bluetooth, then you don't need this. But if you actually have to be connecting your cable to your phone all the time, then this CarPlay box is definitely going to be the way to go. I hope that the information about this CarPlay box was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching. See you on the next video.